Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a very quick unboxing of the Nokia One here. This is a entry-level Android device, probably the cheapest you can actually get right now, and it comes with the Android Go, which should be pretty interesting. Android 8.1, so let's just have a look what this has to offer here. I think this is a blue one, so you can get it in red as well if you do, like more harsh colour. Even though the box looks like it is a red one here, which is weird, but so yeah, this is going to be quite annoying to open, to say the least. There we go. Nice. So this is the device. These are about €50, by the way, if you're wondering. As you can see, you're getting a very plasticky kind of build here. You are getting the old type charging, unfortunately. It feels quite nice though in the hand, very comfortable, rounded off. Very light indeed, actually. So that is quite nice. You get your starting manual. Ooh, you even get earphones. Wow, that is surprising. Charger, which is nice. And the battery. So this has a removable battery. Wow, that harkens back to the day when phones were pretty awesome in that regard. So let's see if we can get this in. You can see it just comes off like that, which is very nice. And then you just put that in there. Supports 128 gigs as well. Cards for extra storage, and nano SIM, which is the latest SIM. So start it up. I think we're getting a MediaTek processor, which ticks it along. 1 gig of RAM, 8 gig of ROM, 5 megapixel camera, and 2 megapixel front facing. Display is probably not going to be up to much. I don't think it's full HD. Wow. So it gets a bit brighter there. I was going to say that would have been an awful display, but you can see it is a little bit brighter here. Just zoom in. And we'll just, can we skip this? It looks like you can't actually skip that, so we'll just put on the Wi-Fi. Taking a long time for the keyboard to come up. Wow. So this is like your real kind of basic budget Android experience here. You can't get any cheaper. But if you think back like 6 years ago, this would have been top of the range. I mean, this would have easily been on the level of the HTC kind of, HTC Desire kind of thing. HTC HD2, that kind of level. It's about the same kind of size actually. You can see it takes a real long time here to do the updates check. We'll just skip this. So about 5 minutes later we're ready to go. Probably the slowest setup I've ever seen actually recently, but obviously you can't expect too much for this price level. And we do have the latest software, which is very nice. The UI looks actually a little bit different here. You can see we have these dots with the search bar. So I'm guessing this is like a less kind of demanding UI for this kind of phone. So you can see that's the storage there. I think you get less settings here in the area, and display, you can see you can change this, which is good. Ambient displays on there as well, which is pretty nice. Something was downloading then in the background. Display is a little bit weak here, got to say. You know, it's quite a big step down from Nokia 6 level, but it is legible, just about. And what else do we have? So yeah, we do have a 5 megapixel camera, which we do have to test. Let's have a look what we can get out of this. Does it have autofocus? So don't look like it, but it could be. I don't know. Doesn't really seem to respond at all. Or so you can see, you're definitely not going to use this as your main camera phone, but it's nice that they tagged one on anyway. It's even got a flash there as well, which is quite cool. Let's have a look at the wallpapers. So we have a few here, as you can see. The main one, so it's just the Google one, I think, here. Google set of wallpapers. But you can see, you know, in terms of like a backup phone or something disposable, everything seems to open up quite nice and fast. It is installing some stuff in the background, but it's not slowing down too much. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing here, and first look of the Nokia 1, cheapest Android you can get right now pretty much, with the nano SIM, at least where I am. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.